Welcome back. In the last video we learned how to create a new event. In this video we will talk about mood boards. It will be a rather short training video, but nevertheless an important one. Alright, on the left in the navigation you have mood boards. We are at a mood board, but there are no pins yet. So that's why there is a message at your first pin. How do we do that? We just go back to the website, and whenever we see, for example, a venue or another piece of content, it can be an article or it can be a post of an event company, you can pin it to your mood board. It's like a creative ID board where you gather all the inspiration you have for the event. So venues you like, articles you read with interesting ideas, whatever you come across. So let's see how that works. I like this venue, for example. I can click on the heart icon and select the mood board on which I want to pin it to. We created the product launch event, so I select the product launch event. You can also select multiple ones if you want this venue for multiple of your events. I can also click a second one to the same board and maybe a third one to the same board. At the same time, if I, for example, also find some caterers interesting, I want a food truck maybe, and this caterer also looks very promising, I can all add that to the mood board. Also on the home page, in my newsfeed, I see, for example, let me scroll down. I see, for example, a very interesting tent structure over here. I can click on Save on top and also pin this post onto my mood board. If we now go back to the event software via the link on top of the website and go to mood boards, you see that all the content I've pinned is on this mood board right now. We group the pins together based on the category they're in. So we have the caterers over here, we have the event venues we like over here, and we have the posts I've saved over here. So all content on our platform, even articles. If I go, for example, to a news article and I say, okay, let me scroll down to an interesting article. All right, here is something about our eco label for the event industry. I can also save that to the same mood board. If I go back to the mood boards over here, you will also see that now next to post we also have articles. But I can imagine that not everything that is inspiring for you is on the event planner website. Then you also have the possibility to add external links to your mood board. That's very easy. At the bottom of the mood board there's a links section with a text field in here. You can just copy paste the link of the article you read or whatever website you did see and click on add link over here. And what we do is we will add that link also, like you can see, how to host a dinner party to your mood board. While working on your mood board, it is also possible that at certain moments you want to delete stuff off your mood board. That's obviously also possible. Just move over with your mouse on the pin and there's a trash can icon. If I click on it, it asks, are you sure? If I click OK, the pin gets deleted from the mood board. Working with mood boards is very powerful when you work alone on an event, but especially impactful when you work with other people on an event. Let's say I'm organizing an event together with a colleague. I'm scouting for venues online on the Event Planners platform or even other websites. And your colleague is also, you can bring all the ideas together in one board, share them with each other, learn from each other, and eventually find the best possible venues or other suppliers for your event. But that's just one example. Let's say you're a wedding planner and you're organizing an event for a young couple, and possibly you also want to share the mood board with them. You are scouting for venues, put them on the mood board and use the mood board to show the young couple what options you found for them and start working together with them on this. With all the tools we offer, you have the possibility to share, and we will talk about sharing and how to give people access in depth when we're discussing the contacts section. You want to share access to the mood boards, but maybe not to the checklist because you don't want to share that kind of information, or the other way around. You probably want to give read access so people can see what you're doing but not changing them. Or you can decide, okay, let the young couple also help trying to find the perfect venue for them. It's all up to you how you arrange that in our tool. So that's a wrap for the Moodboards tool. I'll see you again in the next session, which is about checklists.